television.com.
Yes, you're alone.
What do you think?
Hey, why don't we use our points from Chase Sapphire and take a break?
Come on.
Your points don't expire.
There is nothing.
There's no travel restrictions. You can leave tomorrow.
We can't use them for a vacation.
You can use the points for just about anything.
I know.
Chase what matters. Get your future Sapphire card.
Bless you. Sweetheart.
Everyone I showed this picture to is really likes his hair.
Gentlemen, you booked your hotels on Orbitz.
Bless
Well,
you.
the price went down, so you're all getting a check.
Eileen saw a picture, Susie.
You didn't book